Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorial how to create deck stairs. So you can create for the example room and I will add for strike deck in this point. Active for the perspective view and I will move to the right. Go to project browsers and then click on plan view. Don't forget to select this working plan and set into terrain plan view. Now we use these stair tools to create stair with drawn stairs. I will click near this deck and resize, move from this point into here, and then move again to another side. Create again with stair with this drawn stair. Click near deck to be connected and also interact here. Resize again and in this point. The next, you can select the stairs and then I will increase into 3, release to apply. Double click on the stairs and you can inactive for the open raise and open underneath. Click OK and I will double click again in this point and another side. So that's it for basic Shift Architect tutorial how to create deck stairs. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.